Yeah guys, if you're also in the same situation that you have to use a wired connection to use the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your car and can't use a wireless connection, I have good news for you. By the way, of course, very important to know, I'm not driving here, I'm just standing with my car in our driveway. So I'm going to unplug it here and you can see the Android Auto is gone. So I can show you here today this really nice HEYINCAR Plus adapter for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I got it from the seller to show you how this works, but it's still my honest opinion. And you will be able to see everything live here anyway. So this is what we get here inside. Absolute beautiful, this set here. So we get two devices actually, or two parts. This absolutely awesome, super beautiful mini wireless adapter. Nice, sleek, beautiful, stylish. Just with one opening for a little bit of ventilation. And then we get in the exact same style an adapter from USB-C to USB-A if you need. Here in my case, I don't need that because the Android Auto port is USB-A. So I can plug this in directly here, removing the cable. Don't need that anymore. So I turn the camera a little bit down, so hopefully you can see that. And so I just plug this in here in this USB-A port. So let's go to the Bluetooth settings and we see already some information here. And so I click on confirm and we have the Apple CarPlay menu here right away. Very interesting. So I click on that. And it gives me the Bluetooth information where to connect. Yeah, that's absolutely awesome. I've never seen that with any other wireless adapter till now. Yeah, really interesting to see that there's still some improvement possible. I've never seen that so convenient. So I don't even have to check the instructions manual and I can see the auto link, exactly this name here on my Bluetooth. So I can click here and connect. Yeah, I just realized that I had a VPN installed here on my phone. So the phone was a little bit reacting, but not fully working for the Android Auto. Very important to know that we can't use VPN, of course, otherwise it won't work. If it doesn't work right away, also a good idea to check in the status information or even go to the setting of your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But here it worked really plug and play, except from the VPN showed up here. And now we have everything. You can see how nice and smooth everything is working. And so here, for example, I'm on the Google Maps, of course, not where I'm located, just any random location. Yeah, absolutely awesome, really smooth, even when using multi-touch, zoom in, zoom out. And so we can use everything here from phone calls, maps, assistant, and we can still use the buttons, everything from the steering wheel, like volume, taking call, and all these things. Yeah, till now works absolutely amazing. Let's see regarding the heat. Can't feel that it's really hot or so, absolutely no problem. So also cooling seems to work really nice and it's an absolute beauty down there. Yeah, definitely love this implementation. Works great for me. And so I think with this super small, super stylish HEYINCAR wireless adapter, you can't really go wrong. I'll put down the links to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And because of the super fancy design, could be also a great gift for somebody who doesn't have already a wireless adapter but still has Android Auto or Apple CarPlay built into the car. And so hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this HEYINCAR wireless adapter, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.